Hello, it's Roadrunner Freedom Finder. Today is December 8th, 2024. This is day number 7 of the Wisconsin Whitetail muzzle loading rifle hunting season. It's another beautiful day, almost 50 degrees, and we should have another day like this, maybe 45 tomorrow, and then an intense cold front will be coming to bring us into single digits near zero by Wednesday or Thursday night. So a quick video just to capture the conditions on today. It's certainly beautiful. Haven't seen any deer for the past couple of days, but I know they're around. My spirit's good. I love muzzleload hunting as well as rifle hunting, and this has been a very enjoyable season. Roadrunner Freedom Finder out for the day. Goodbye. December 8th, 2024, Roadrunner Freedom Finder, leaving the woods, going home. Have a very nice day.